Kurgaon-based company Zeta Farms aro Toka Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society milagina aji joint press conference loishe Nagaland agro aro agri business e investment kurubole nimide. Zeta Farms to farmers kange advanced agriculture techniques, modern equipment aro reliable market dibo koshe farmers can produce kurubole nimide. IB dulaga details sawo.
Today, I would like to thank all of you, the media fraternity, for coming today to our program. This is a press conference called by us between Toka MPCS and Zeta Farms. We have some certain announcements which we would like to share with you. Our sir, Mr. Rituraj, he will be briefing you all on today's conference. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you for having us here. Let me introduce you to Zeta Farms, what we do. Zeta Farms is a company which is trying to revive the whole agriculture ecosystem for the better good, for creating food security, for creating sustainability, for creating carbon positivity, regenerative agriculture and all. Okay, how we treat ourselves as different from a traditional farming ecosystem is that we always want to have the work done at the root level. Okay, we don't try to develop the supply chain, or you can say the tech and all. We make use of these things, but we don't try to develop it because other counterparts or the other entities in the same industry are doing that very well. Okay, nobody was focusing on the root level of the farming part of it. Now, as of date, Zeta Farms is like working over approximately 10,000 acres of land area in 14 plus states of India, and we are catering to more than 1200 farmer families as of date, and it is being increasing day by day. Through Zeta Farms, we have taken up some initiatives like the Zeta Rozgar Yojana, wherein we are giving employment, or you can say employment system, to one person over every 2 acres of land area. The perks and the benefits of this kind of engagement would be that he will be getting a monthly secured income along with the benefits of PF, insurance, child education benefits, and the most prominent and the important thing of this Rozgar Yojana was the pension scheme, which only after government we are proud to say that we are the only startup in this ecosystem which is creating a pension fund for the farmers. Now coming on to Nagaland, we have been so lucky and grateful enough that we have been provided like good land opportunities and the agriculture project opportunities here in Nagaland. And to be true, considering what we say in Vastu mein bolte hain na, Northeast is like the lucky place in a architectural ecosystem or a place there. So Northeast becoming a lucky thing for us also, and we are getting good projects over here. Starting from the rubber nursery project which we are doing with Toka Society with Kashi. We have been introduced to him through HML for a rubber factory project, but the things have evolved so much that we are also now engaging and talking over multiple different projects like the feed development or the feed production for the piggery and poultry there. We have been talking over growing or you can say supply chain of pineapples by after growing them. We are also talking over like creating processing industry setups for the leguminous crops and all. We are also looking forward to have certain kind of perennial crop system in a diversified capacity. Now the burning question is why the traditional farmer is not able to grow if we are able to do it. Okay, so the only difference was we think that each of the farmer are very skilled and they are working in a freelancer capacity, right? Everybody is a freelancer, and the real problem with any freelancer is getting work. So we as a corporate entity, we are creating a management layer and we are providing the opportunity in a corporate environment in a SOP system to all these freelancers, so that all the freelancers have a common vision for the betterment of the whole corporate or the entity there. Okay, that's how we are making a difference. We are engaging the best tech available in the market, best infrastructure available in the market in the format of IoT sensors and the data analytics part and all. We give them the knowledge about that what kind of inputs and material are to be given, when it is to be done. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि 2 पड़ोस वाले फार्मर भी डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिसेस यूज़ करते हैं फॉर ग्रोइंग द सेम क्रॉप, राइट? एक बोलता है कि मुझे मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने सिखाया था, आई हैव लर्नड इट फ्रॉम माय grandparents and all. The other will say that I have learned it from the Center of Excellence on the KVK farms. Even for the growing of the same crop, they are using different practices. We want to have a standard system in place. That's what we are doing, and we are really grateful enough to have this kind of opportunities in Nagaland. We have been also offered approximately 5,000 acres of land area in Chivinu district. With him, we are having a good big project of 25 lakhs plants creation of rubber nursery. And what we have seen in talking in terms of numbers, Nagaland has approximately 65,000 hectares of agricultural land area, out of which only approx 600 hectares of land area is being utilized for the agriculture purposes, or you can say optimal agriculture purpose. So you can see the opportunity which is available to us, and considering the agrarian state and we believe the next 10 years or the next decade would be of agriculture only. People will not stop eating food. Okay, so we want to really bank upon this opportunity and take this ahead because it has really good potential. Yeah, so this is from my side.
For the financial base, how much are you planning to invest?
So it is like we are like aggregators of investments. Okay, so we will be creating multiple DPRs. So on an average, you can think of it like this. So for an 1,000 acres of project, approximately 10 CR investment is required at a base level for just growing leguminous, or you can say cyclical crops like the grains, legumes or something like that. It can increase up to approximately 2.5 lakh rupees an acre. Why I am giving this number? It is for the horticulture crops. Like if I am trying to grow a strawberry project, or let's say a pineapple or a banana project, it would require a huge capital because of the infrastructure, like the drip irrigation and the infrastructure setups there. This is how it will. The case where the private sector is looked with suspicion is because most of the private sector companies come and have a project in terms of with a tagline of contract farming. Okay, so the most basic principle of contract farming is if the produce is there, we will be purchasing the produce, correct? Okay, but in our case, it is we follow a different route. We say even if the produce is not there, even if because of certain weather anomalies or unfavorable weather condition, even if the produce is not there, the farmer or the person has already done his hard work over this. He has already given his time over that part. So we will be giving and we will be compensating for that time in a monthly capacity. That's why that employment engagement kind of thing. So we treat it because it is easier to understand in a word of employment. Baki, it is like it is a monthly income source plus again over and above that a profit share in the format of which can be compared to in a corporate structure as a variable pay, right? So we will also be distributing the profit share to these farmers. Okay, so that's how we are different. And also no corporate company till date has created a pension fund for them. So we always, and also the words also play a very important role. We treat our farmers as Krishi warriors and Krishi weeds, right? People like to call them as laborers. We want to eradicate that word. Laborer word comes with a sense of exploitation. Okay, so we want to have a collaboration approach, not an exploitation approach. We are trying to do there is, we are trying to create a multiple crop structure wherein all the farmers will be aggregated and involved so that they can get a monthly secured income. Let's take a typical example. 1,000 farmers are there having 5,000 acres of land area. If they are growing different crops, one farmer will not compensate his losses from other farmers' profit. We are trying to aggregate it, we are trying to join it, we are trying to make them join hands with each other through our corporate layer or through our management layer. This is how we want to do it. At some portion of these 5,000 acres, let's say over 500 acres, turmeric will be grown. The next 500 acres, maize will be grown. The third 500 acres, let's say banana will be grown. The fourth 500 acres, let's say another crop will be grown. So let us, if I talk in terms of multiple crops, it will be leguminous crops like tuar, arhar, soybean, moong, chole, or any kind of dals and lentils. Okay. Then there will be another set of crops in terms of aromatic plantations like Palma rosa, Jama rosa, Citronella, Geranium, these kind of crops from which the aromatic oils can be extracted. The third set is like medicinal plants like Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Brahmi, these kind of crops there. The fourth set will be like cereals and grains, rice, wheat, or you can say millets, these kind of crops there. Then we have fruits and vegetables there. Then we have certain different kind of cash crops as well. Okay, so we'll try to create a consortium or a portfolio of such kind of crops so that the whole profit which is coming out of it can be distributed, certain portion of that profit can be distributed among the farmers to enhance the income First was security of the income by giving monthly security there, or monthly like the amount of funds which will be giving to them. Over and above that, the profit share will be distributed, which will be enhancing their income. Now coming on to part of it, how much investment will be done there. So typically, on an average, 50,000 rupees per acre investment goes to for developing a project. This is the 50,000 is the average investment. Why I am talking about average? Because for growing paddy, it is 20,000 rupees an acre investment, and which will give you a revenue of approximately 35,000 within 4 months. If I invest 1 lakh rupees for growing turmeric, it will be giving me a revenue of approximately 2 lakh rupees in a period of 9 months. So if we talk in terms of numbers, moreover both the crops is giving like 70 to 80% margins, right? But farmers are not aware of it, aware of the economics. They don't understand economics. That's where the lag comes in. Okay. Plus also the risk of weather, of the fluctuating weather and the market price fluctuations has to be borne upon by the farmer. उसी को सारा risk bear करना पड़ता है. कुछ भी खराब होगा, बाढ़ आ जाए, सूखा पड़ जाए, anything, and everything has to be borne by the farmer. That's where our role comes in. हम क्या करते हैं, जितना भी risk है उसको diversify करके we distribute it among all the land areas, and through our own funds, like suppose even if one of the crop is getting destroyed in Nagaland for a particular set of farmers, I can compensate that money from the soybean grown in Rajasthan or the coffee grown in Karnataka, okay, because all the crops will not get destroyed in a single day. That's our own model is. Considering this, we have a portfolio of 70 plus crops across India, out of which the good part is Nagaland, through its weather topography and land topography, all the crops can be grown here. You say cocoa, coffee, or you can say banana, pineapple, papaya, you name it. Okay, any crop can be grown in one of the other agroclimatic zones. There are micro agroclimatic zones and macro agroclimatic zones. There are hilly areas, plain areas, tropical areas wherein like kahin pe rainfall is more, kahin pe rainfall is less. You have high altitude, like the temperature profile is also very good in Nagaland. Okay, so that gives us an advantage for optimizing the agriculture here. Okay, as I've already said, it is under optimized as of date, and we want to really use upon the potential there, and we want to give opportunities to people who can work with us at every level. Along with it, after doing agriculture, the second stage comes for the processing and ancillary activities, out of which we can create processing setups, first level processing. Suppose we are growing groundnuts, we can have a processing setup for it, we can take out all oil from it. We are growing lemongrass, we can take essential oils out of it. We are growing rubber, we can get latex and the rubber sheets out of it. This is how the processing setups are there. We can also set up agrotourism. Nagaland has huge potential for agrotourism, which is also untapped as of date, and we want to focus on agrotourism part of it. All these activities will enhance the income of the farmer. That's our motive is. Okay, it is. That's why I was saying that it should always be treated as an agriculture, not a single crop thing. Okay, single crop thing will not benefit us and all the farmers. It cannot happen. This is what I wanted to add.
But Nagam is a simple crop koi dibo. Takan to paisa dali bole aise. Ami han kheti kan kura ki de diktar pai thaka to takan to modat kuru bole. Ami han la busti mando han to market kan na pae. Kini bole manu na pae. Nole bhi manu ba jukae. Ito sab to takan to openly. Amen ke help kuru bole mon jala khota ko ase. To asal to itu ye main asal la na. तो खेती दे कुरिले भी मनन सब खेती कुरिले भी इतो ठीक ठाक ना जाना पड़ा ठीक ठाक करू बोले ना पड़े खेती सपोज दूसरा जगह दे तो एक पेटी 10 क्विंटल उला से अरे भी हमें ना जगह दे 2 क्विंटल एकला उला से माटी तो इकी ना इनका दे आएगे ना तखन मदद करू बोले ला खता को और वैसा भी तखन दली दिबो आइना को ना सब ग्रुप ऑर्गेनाइज करी ना इतु पार्टिकुलर क्रॉप ते ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए तखन तो ये ते बहि बोले से और फैक्ट्री खान भी खोलु बोले से ये ते तो बिशे लंबा खिलाड़ी खाना चाहिए ते को बोले पागो ठीक है ना
ठीक
and
just for example in Longkom area in winters tomato production is very high but since our farmers doesn't know how to transport it or they don't have the market we see 20 to 30% of it is getting damaged, wastage. So in order to control that also they're coming into the picture.
Correct.
Even I would say K-free, we're inside the kiwi fruits. The production is very high again, but they don't have the market. So again, Zeta is coming into that. So those kind of things is there. Because like we have good farmers are very good, but here we don't have a market. we don't know where to sell.
Correct.
So, for example, now the tomato part, I would say Longkong part, one of my cousins was cultivating it. So for him, he took a truck for hire of 15,000 to transport it from Mokokchung to Johar and then sell it. See the cost incurred. So in that cost also, we are coming into the picture.
Right.
So those kind of mechanism and all those technical things will be there, and then that's how the farmer will be totally benefited.
Apni yan generation na night tekhan to already 5,000 acres zamini to looking as a day. That's what I heard from them.
Yeah.
Even
This
I
is
just they have taken 5,000 acres.
multiple crops. Okay.
Multiple crops grow.
So this is like the बहुत simple language में ऐसा है कि you cannot teach farming to a farmer. Okay. But what was lagging, we are putting in the things. Like there was a market lag, there was a warehouse lag, there was a processing setup lag. Okay, so he was talking about tomato wastage and all. Okay, so we can put up a drying unit of tomatoes. Nobody is thinking about that. Okay, drying of potatoes, give it a higher shelf life. We can sell it to different markets. It can be exported also. Nobody has that knowledge. Okay, we are trying to put up these insights for the creation of the whole ecosystem. That's where we are covering up the gaps.
Yeah. Ini kura tu sab Korea American भी ना lebih itu ya sih कि American tu itu अलग-अलग जगह दे mon दे अलग खोला डाली ऐसे खोला डाली के ना आजकल तकन खोला मन मीठा जरूर ना जाने निश्ना ना तो इन्हें का निश्ना तकन लाइन में ले निंदे ला खोला हमें ना खोला अलग ऐसे तो इन्हें निश्ना itu explore करा से तो potentially itu विषय है itu किन्ना गुना itu American tu एक ता खेती दे डाले itu की पाई itu खुशी ना maybe if let's say we have to take something into commercial scale le jaile to alop ala khobo la jai na we have to itu bra itu kan sab buji gena ami kan itu la sabte ta khan kun tu de ami kan na para jaga de ai gena modot kori dibo na so it's not like over dramatic itu pura ala khobo la jai nothing like that ki ase tate ami kan intervention kori na help kori na farmers kan ke modot kori
give us one example of a state where your program or where your investment are working successfully.
It is already being successfully working in 12 plus states in Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh. One example, Maharashtra. It is like 600 acres of land area, which is being wherein we are growing banana, grapes, sugarcane, geranium, chilies, and onion. Okay, so these 6 crops are being grown. Okay, and the market is set. Open market is also set. The balance is there, and we are selling it. More than 500 farmers are already involved there. They are getting a secured monthly income out of it. Okay. And we have already started creation of the pension fund because this is a recent activity. So everybody is feeling secure now. Okay, I am like happy doing this thing.
Okay, so the 5,000 acres which you have acquired in
Chilbinu.
Is it one contiguous area?
No, it will not be one contiguous area. We also don't want that to be happening there because it will be hindering with the diversification then. Okay, so we want or in terms of units, the minimum unit should be 100 acres. It is like this. We will be taking into multiple zones.
अच्छा इते कोई निश्ना अमी खान लगा इतु farmers खान तो किन्हें benefit हो गले इते farmers खान डांगर माती नाई कुन बात 2 hectares डाली के ना से minimum 2 hectares दिखे ना से तो 2 hectares डाली कुन बात तो 5 hectares है तो इतु अमी खान suppose company ते बिक्री करोले जाते सब निजो खुशी जाएगा ना कोरिया से तो एक ता तो organized sector ते एक ता company ला umbrella ते इशू गले तो सब इतु company ला करे है वो ताइबा उठाएंगे ना सामान कान उठाई दिए ना पारदम दे सब मानो लगा पैसा लो बच्चे जाबो इन्हें कुल्ले तो efficient हो जाबो ना और कोई ना technology ना जाने ले भी काम करेंगे ना साधन दे तो ताई लगा तो विषय पैसे तला community के लिए पैसे बोले तो basically अमी खान management तो ठीक ना है इतु खान अमी खान पुष्टि मानन के कुरी के ना अमी हिकाई ना चाहिए जाबो because case to case type of सब मानो एक बार तो onboarding करो ना पड़े आस्ते करना अमी खान उठाएंगे ना बोले